Welcome. My name is nivethan nadanasivam, and I'm going to be showing you imperial calculations. So we're going to be doing imperial calculations for a stove, and the scale is 1 by half an inch by 1 feet. The stove is 4 feet 3 inches by 2 feet 6 inches. So the calculation for 4 feet 3 inches, step 1, convert feet to scale. So that's 4 times half gives you 2. Step 2, calculate the inches. So 3 inches, 3 over 12 gives you a quarter of feet. Quarter feet times the scales gives you 1/8. Step 3, add step 1 and step 2. That's 2 plus 1/8 gives you 2 and 1/8. 2 feet 6 inches. We're going to do step 1, convert feet to scale. So that's 2 times half gives you 1. Step 2, calculate the inches. That's 6 inches. 6 over 12 gives you 1/2 of a feet. So half a feet times the scale gives you a quarter. Step 3, add step 1 and step 2. That's 1 plus a quarter gives you 1 and 1/4. This is the draw to scale diagram. That's 2 by 1/8 inches and 1 by 1/4 inches. That's it. That's the scale. This is the original measurement, and that'll be the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.